trail pizzas today from the store cookbook. It's important to remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds while you're cooking. Because there's only 2 of us and not a whole store group, we have to minimize the ingredients. We have pizza sauce, tortillas, cheese, pepperonis, and pepper. We will need next is a knife, a spatula, a cutting board, and a spoon. We have an electric skillet, but if you have a regular skillet at home, you can use that too. Now we're going to prep our ingredients. I'm going to dice this pepper. When you're dicing, you want to do this to keep your fingers from getting cut. And keep them far away from the knife and try to be safe. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to make the trail pizza. We're going to use the griddle as our prep station because it's not on yet. I'm going to take the pepperoni. I'm going to take the tomato sauce and spread it on a half of the tortilla. Then I get my ingredients that I want to use and put them on the pizza. Now I'm going to do the cheese. You fold it in half once you've done all your ingredients and cheese. Then you get ready to cook. I don't like any sauce on my pizzas, so I'll put olive oil on it. I'm going to put on my pepperoni. Now I'm going to put on my cheese. And I don't like peppers on my pizza either, so I'll now just fold it up. Now it's time to cook the trail pizzas. We have a non-stick skillet, so if you want to use olive oil or butter, you're welcome to. We're going to cook each side for about 3 minutes, then flip it over and do another 3 minutes. Now it's time to flip the pizzas. They should be goldenly brown on the bottoms in certain spots. Now I will flip mine. Now it's time to take the trail pizzas off the skillet. And if you want to eat it whole, you can eat it whole, or you can cut it up into little pizza slices. But make sure to let it cool first because it may be hot. Now it's time for me to cut my pizza. I'm going to use this pizza cutter, but if you don't have one and just a knife, you can use that too. Now you can eat your trail pizzas and hope you enjoy other recipes from the store cookbook too. Have a good day.